Welcome back. Let's come to another top story. A shocker from Agra's Sri Paras Hospital that is creating a political controversy, where allegedly a mock drill on critically COVID patients went horribly wrong in April. The owner has now been caught on camera bragging how they shut down oxygen supply for 5 minutes. Reports now claim that many lives were lost in the incident. But the hospital today denied all those claims. The authorities in Agra have sealed the hospital and filed a case against the officials. A full report now from Abhishek Anand.
Desperation.
एक पत्र लिखा 1 बजे सबसे पहले पत्र। ये घटना ऐसी आगरा में पावर सप्लाई खत्म हो रही है ऑक्सीजन की और आप लोग अपना समय रहते इंतजाम कर लें। सुबह 10 बजे तक का समय है। 2:30 बजे तो हड़कंप मच गया हॉस्पिटल में।
Or just bragging on camera.
अब वो छांटो जिनकी ऑक्सीजन बंद हो सकती है। एक ट्रायल मार दो दोपहर में, एक मॉक ड्रिल करके देख लो, समझ जाएंगे कौन सा मरेगा कौन सा नहीं मरेगा। सही बात है। मॉक ड्रिल करी हमने सुबह 7 बजे।
And allegedly putting 22 lives at risk.
सुन कर दी सबकी, फिर छट गए 22 मरीज, तुरंत खोल दिए गए।
22 मरीज छट गए। और भाई साहब
ये मरेंगे, नीले पड़ने लगे।
ओहो ओहो
22 की मॉक ड्रिल में 22 छट गए। हमने चलो जे बचे।
ओहो।
This video of a doctor from Agra has gone viral on social media. Owner of a prominent private hospital in Agra can be heard saying that his hospital shut off oxygen supply for 5 minutes. This was done to find out who was at maximum risk of death. The drill found 22 most vulnerable patients who turned blue as the supply was allegedly snapped. This video is reportedly from April when the second wave was at its peak and there was an acute shortage of medical oxygen in the entire country.
एक ट्रायल मार दो दोपहर में, एक मॉक ड्रिल करके देख लो, समझ जाएंगे कौन सा मरेगा कौन सा नहीं मरेगा।
सही बात है।
मॉक ड्रिल करी हमने सुबह 7 बजे। ये किसी पता नहीं है, ये मॉक ड्रिल कराई, सुन कर दी सबकी, फिर छट गए 22 मरीज, तुरंत खोल दिए गए।
22 मरीज छट गए। और भाई साहब
जे मरेंगे, नीले पड़ने लगे।
ओहो ओहो।
Dr. Arinjay Jain, who is also the owner of Paras Hospital, did admit that it is his voice in the viral video. But he has clarified that the oxygen supply was never actually shut.
मॉकड्रिल का मतलब केवल ऑक्सीजन के लेवल को मरीज की रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से सेट करना है। और ये बताया जा रहा है कि 22 छट गए। छटने का मतलब मर नहीं गए। हमारे यहाँ 26 तारीख को दिन में एक भी डेथ नहीं हुई है।
Clarifying on the viral video, Agra DM has said that the mock drill didn't turn fatal for the 22 people. He, however, has ordered a probe.
26 तारीख को जनपद इस पारस हॉस्पिटल में 97 जो पेशेंट भर्ती थे, इसमें से 4 डेथ हुई हैं। अतः इस बात में कि 22 लोगों की डेथ हुई कोई सत्यता नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी आज जो वीडियो कुछ प्रचारित किया जा रहा है, इसको ठीक से एक बार अध्ययन कर लिया जाएगा।
The primary investigation shows that no patient died due to oxygen crisis in this hospital at that time, and the administration is claiming that the FIR is lodged under the Pandemic Act for spreading misinformation, and this hospital is going to be sealed. All the patients, there are about 50 patients in this hospital right now, and all the patients will be shifted to different hospitals. With camera person Ritesh Mishra, this is Abhishek Anand reporting for India Today.
And a short while ago, I spoke to Uttar Pradesh's Health Minister Jai Pratap Singh and I asked him the simple question: what action were the Uttar Pradesh authorities going to take against the hospital? Listen in.
This hospital had also in 2020 had violated the COVID protocol rules at that time also. And because of a particular incident in 2020, they had allowed COVID patients to move around in the districts, in a couple of districts, which had increased the infection. So we had sealed the hospital that time also in 2020 for like almost 6 months and ensured that they don't do such things again. But this time, the information which we just received and on which the district magistrate and the chief medical officer already have done a inspection and are presenting a report to the government shortly. On the basis of this, at the moment, the hospital has been seized, and the allegation against him is that they have been doing a mock trial at the time when they had a lot of patients, the infection was very high. So it does not make any sense for any hospital to say that they were doing a mock drill, because you don't do mock drill of oxygen pipeline, especially at a time when you have a whole lot of patients over there. And so that is totally out of the context. So whatever report comes up, we will take strict action to him according to the law.
You know, whether the mock drill was responsible for the deaths or whether there were deaths on that particular day which is being denied by the hospital is another question. The question though, Mr. Minister, which no one can deny, is that the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, your Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, kept saying there was no shortage of oxygen in that month of April and May. Now it is becoming increasingly clear that every hospital in UP, like in other parts of the country, faced a shortage. So how scary was the situation? The doctor in the video says even the CM can't get oxygen. So do you accept that there was a shortage of oxygen in Uttar Pradesh in those critical days?
See, you cannot believe a hospital manager, especially of this Paras hospital type, who is saying that the Chief Minister did not provide oxygen to us and that is why this mock drill or whatever has to be taken. On one hand, you are accusing the hospital of negligence. So a person of that nature cannot accuse the Chief Minister of not giving supply of oxygen. It doesn't make sense at all. He is trying to hide his faults and is trying to hide his negligence behind the statement by saying we did not get oxygen in time. The whole country was under the oxygen shortage. The entire country was under the oxygen shortage, and therefore the government of India had moved in to ensure that all manufacturing plants of oxygen production would be controlled by the government of India and distributed equally to every state according to the number of patients or according to the number of sites, which was being done by the government of India. So every state was running around getting their allocation from whichever was allocated to us, from whichever place was allocated to us. Everybody was running around getting the oxygen, and I can tell you that like major places, big places like Agra was one of them also. Apart from Lucknow, Kanpur, Varanasi, Gorakhpur, Prayagraj, Agra, Meerut, Gautam Budh Nagar, all these were high priority areas where we ensured that at least they got the oxygen, minimum amount of oxygen they were provided with. So that we were ensuring that day-to-day oxygen being provided to them and to the nearest refillers over there. Whichever refillers were around that area, and they were being provided LMOs so that they could provide they could refill the cylinders and give it to all the private hospitals also.
The Health Minister of Uttar Pradesh speaking to me a short while ago. Let's turn to our Get Real India story, where we travel today to southern Rajasthan, where quackery is a lucrative